How you doing, campers? This is on Ficky, on the old Ficky Sticky Show here it's it's spelled Geysir, but I don't think it's geyser. It's more like geyser. Anyway, I'm outside of Reykjavik, Iceland, on the Golden Circle. And, they said there's lots of gold out here. And, it would be nice if we could run into some gold, maybe mine it. Gold's going up. It's going to hit 5,000 soon. And, anyway, this geyser is supposed to come up in a relatively short time. I'm looking for, a big, a big movement of sulfurated water, and it could be happening. It's all about the timing of it, and it's about the aim too. Like if I'm aiming and it's somewhere like over here, then I'm screwed. But on the old Ficky Sticky Show, we kind of make our shots correct, or we should. And maybe we'll piece together this with a future shot. It seems like it could be brewing. It's gonna be a big one. Back of my wife's head, and you can see some pre-geyser movement. And by the way, it's really cold up here. The wind is really kicking. It's about negative 10 Celsius, which who knows how much it is. I mean, look at those people over there. It looks like the fields of Vietnam, and you got your white phosphorus. But it's not. They're just trying to get airborne sulfur baths. Sulfur, it's good for you. Get it, put it in your hair. You can rub it on your body and drink it. Just not too much. So. It seems like we're at the 3-minute mark of freezing my hand. And I'm aimed right. And we got the sun with us. And I feel like it's gonna be it's pretty much any movement now, I'm told. The gauges over there, we checked the gauges, and they're peaking, up in the red zone. Fantastic. Is this thing on, by the way? I mean, when this goes, I want part of it, in a big way, and aimed right. Alright, so I heard if you kind of talk, it kind of scares it away a little bit, so I'm going to speak really low. That and, old Ficky Sticky is kind of an oddity in today's world. Oh, there it goes. Hey, it's a thick one. Thick and wide. Alright, well, that's all we got for you. And thanks for coming. See you on the next one, Jeff.